Welcome to Dragon-Age Theories. My name is Marie Blatier and I ask to you some questions.
Let's go.
Let's go. Sylvian, what is the difference between what is shown in the media and the reality?
Hello, I would like to say that the media doesn't always reveal the truth. Sometimes it hides it to gain audience. The reality can be better or worse, but the media lies about it.
Okay. And Daniel, what is your impression after your trip in France the last time?
My impression about France after last year's trip was excellent. The French people are quite peaceful. We aren't same. Difference between us and you is we have a different point of view about life. Maybe your first thought about us after we meet was what the fuck, but slowly we became friends. The last year in France was amazing, and I hope you like Romania.
Thank you. And you, Rachel, what is your impressions before your trip in Romania?
My impression before the trip in Romania was a poor image, and media shows a lot of articles about gypsies, and I didn't really have my own opinion about Romanian people and their culture. So this trip is very interesting for me because I'm discovering a lot of positive things about Romanian.
Thank you very much. See you another day. Goodbye.